welcome back. Let's suppose that you are in the process of making your presentation and suddenly there is a power failure and you get disconnected from the net. You think you are in a fix now, but don't worry. When you are working on Google Slides, it gives you the functionality to work offline. That is, when you are disconnected, you can continue to work on your presentation. And as soon as you get connected back to the internet, all the changes that you have made to your presentation get synced automatically onto the drive. So to enable offline support on slides, all you have to do is click on the file option given in the menu and click on this Make Available Offline. Once you click on it, it says that document now available offline. To give you an example, now I am deliberately disconnecting myself from the internet. So once I do that, to explain my point, I can continue to work on my presentation. Here also you can see above it says that I am now working offline. I click on a new slide and type anything. Suppose when I am working offline, I create a slide and continue to work on my presentation. Now let's see that when I am connected back to the net, will my changes be synced to the drive? So I connect myself to the internet. Now I am connected back to the internet and I can see that it is saving. And I receive this little option near the cloud that it is saved to drive. Once I click on this little cloud, I can see that all my changes have been saved to drive. So this was all about working offline. The next feature that I will be discussing in this particular video is how to add speaker notes. So speaker notes are a really useful feature because you can look at them to remember any important talking points while you are presenting. So in slides, underneath the main slide, this is the area where you can add speaker notes. To add speaker notes via voice typing, Google Slides provides this functionality under this tools option. So here you can see that there is an option of voice type speaker notes. You can also use a keyboard shortcut which is Ctrl plus Shift plus S. So I click on this and as you can see there is a microphone icon which appears. Once I click on it and start typing anything, it will start reflecting on the speaker notes. So I click enter. Hello and welcome to the video on Google Slides. Greetings from Ramanujan College. So as we can see that while I am dictating, the Google Slides feature of voice typing is automatically writing what I am speaking. So these are the two most important features of Google Slides, which makes it all the more convenient and useful amongst the faculty members and teachers. So this is it for now. See you in the next video. Thank you.